Welcome to this tutorial on Get-ComputerInfo, a powerful PowerShell command that helps you retrieve comprehensive system details from your Windows computer. This command is essential for system administrators and anyone who needs to gather detailed information about their machine's hardware and software configuration. Get-ComputerInfo is a PowerShell commandlet that retrieves detailed system information from your computer. It returns comprehensive hardware and software details all in one command, making it incredibly convenient for system analysis. This commandlet is available in Windows PowerShell version 5.1 and PowerShell 7 and later versions, so you can use it on modern Windows systems without any additional installations. The basic syntax of this command is incredibly simple. You just type get-ComputerInfo and press enter. That's it. When you run this command without any parameters, it retrieves all available system information and displays it in your PowerShell console. This gives you hundreds of properties about your computer in a single execution. Get-ComputerInfo returns information organized into several key categories. First, it provides operating system details including version, build number, and architecture. Second, it retrieves hardware information such as processor details, RAM capacity, and BIOS information. Third, it gathers network configuration including domain membership, workgroup settings, and DNS configuration. Finally, it reports security status including antivirus state and firewall status. This comprehensive coverage makes it a one-stop solution for system inventory. When you don't need all the information, you can filter specific properties using two methods. First, you can use the dash property parameter followed by the property names you want, such as computer name and operating system version. Second, you can pipe the output to select dash object and specify properties like computer name and operating system architecture. Both methods help you focus on exactly the information you need, making the output more manageable and improving performance. Get-ComputerInfo has several practical use cases in real-world scenarios. It's perfect for system inventory and auditing when you need to document all computers in your organization. It's invaluable for troubleshooting hardware and software issues because it gives you complete system details in seconds. It's also excellent for creating documentation and reports, allowing you to quickly gather and format system information for stakeholders or compliance requirements. You can easily export the system information to various file formats for documentation or analysis. To save as a CSV file, pipe the output to export-CSV followed by the file name in quotes. To export as JSON format, pipe to convert to -JSON then to out-file with your JSON file name. For plain text reports, simply pipe to out-file with a text file name. These export options make it easy to share, archive, or analyze system information using other tools. Here are some best practices when using Get-ComputerInfo. First, always use the dash property parameter when you only need specific information, as this significantly improves performance and reduces unnecessary data retrieval. Second, be aware that you need appropriate permissions to retrieve full information, especially for security-related properties. Third, consider exporting the data regularly for documentation purposes, creating a historical record of your system configuration that can be valuable for troubleshooting and compliance.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.